Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Impulse. In this video, I will show you how you can use the Fib retracement tool to accurately mark your investments and trades as well. I will show you how you can use in the higher time frame like weekly to the lower time frame like 1 hour. You can use it anywhere in both trading and investment. And this tool actually will help you to accurately mark your entry and not get caught up in the sideways movement for a long time, okay, where you expect where you know that the price of stock or commodity will go up, but you make an early entry and you are stuck at that price for a long time. So this tool will actually prevent to stop that from happening, or at least reduce the time you will spend in waiting for the breakout or the uptrend or the large move downtrend. Both in long side, short side, you can use it in any side. Okay, so let's get started. Let me take you to the screen. Okay, so first of all I will start with Aditya Birla fashion. I will show you 5 examples. Okay, let's start with Aditya Birla fashion. Okay, so I can clearly see one price action where I can use that tool. So I have added it in my favorites list, but let me show you how you can directly find it. So you have to first go to the toolbar here and then select this one, Fib retracement. Okay, this is the one, the first one. So I will select that one. What I will do is find two places. One is one top, one bottom. Okay, high and low. Okay, so this is the weekly time frame. I will use this one as the top and this one as the bottom. Okay. Okay, now let me select the tool. It's already selected. So first I will click here and then drag it here. Okay, this is the one I have selected. So you can clearly see when I zoom in little bit, first the price came down to this level. This level is 0.236 and I know it is not clearly visible, but that is okay. You can spot the important levels like 0.5, this one which is 186, and this one 0.618 which is 195. So you can see price clearly took support at this level. Okay, in 0.618. So this clearly tells us that the trend is strong. And when you zoom in, let me just zoom in to daily time frame. Before zooming in, let's see if it is supported by any moving average or not. Let me first try with 30 days. Yeah, you can see 30 weeks WMA, weighted moving average. It is clearly taking support and it did break out, and I'm sure that the volume will also be high. Yes, you can see that the volume is extremely high during this breakout. Okay, and the price went up and it kept going up. Okay, so let me clear these things and let me close the volume and just zoom into daily time frame to give you a better look. Yes, you can see that price went from here, then it faced resistance from this line which I have drawn. This is the resistance line. Okay, then it came down, then it took this 0.618 level as support and went up. Again it failed to break, came down, but again it did not go below that line, finally broke. Okay, so this is how it works. So this is one example. Hope this was helpful. Now let me go to another example, that will be Amara Raja battery. Okay, so this is an important example because this is a buying opportunity as well. You can make entries now. The Aditya Birla fashion was the price action which I showed, that was in the past. Okay, 1 or 2 years earlier. Okay, so let me show you how you can use it. Again I am selecting. Okay, let me first show you which areas I will take. One is this one I will take as the top, and this one I will take as the bottom. Okay, now let me clear it and select the Fib retracement tool. Okay, I will click here. So one thing important I want to tell you, you can either keep 1 on the upside, I mean on the higher side, and 0 at the downside, or you can do the reverse. Okay, many people prefer the opposite. 0 will be at the top and 1 will be at the bottom, but you can try any. I prefer to keep 1 at the top. Okay, it makes things easier for me. Okay, so you can experiment a little bit on both and then find which one will suit you well. Okay, now back to the topic. Okay, you can see that the price currently touched the 0.5 level. Okay, one second please. Yes, so price touched this level here. Okay, and then it is going up. Then it is touching 0.618 level and going up. It did not go below 0.5 level, which is the important thing we have to keep an eye. Okay, so this is what we need. It should not go, I mean the closing price should not go below 0.5. It might go slightly to this level, okay, that is fine, but it should strongly reflect from 0.5 level, and then in case it touches 0.618, it is fine. If not, it is okay. It can directly bounce from 0.5 level as well, not an issue. Okay, again let me zoom in a little bit to daily time frame. Okay, so talking about the buying opportunity, what you can do is you can just draw one trend line like this, and as you can clearly see that the price has bounced from this level. Okay, 0.5 level, which is what we want, and again it has touched this line, upper line, and this is the 0.618 level. It might touch this one and then it might break out, and your entry point will be right here. Okay, and also keep an eye on the volume. Okay, you cannot ignore volume. The volume should be high. Okay, let's check what is the volume right now. Okay, yeah, I'm pretty sure when it will come to this place, the breakout point, it will be high. Okay, so now let's go to another example, that is Coal India, and this is also a buying opportunity. Okay, I will take these areas. Let me close the sidebar so that you can get a better view. Okay, I will take top as this one. Okay, this level, and just a second, I'm facing a little bit of issues with the drawing tool. Yes, this is the top and this will be the bottom. Okay, so now let me select the Fibonacci retracement. It's selected. This is the top and this is the bottom. Okay, so you can see this example here. You can clearly see the price action, how it is respecting all the necessary levels we are looking for. See, first price did not stay above 0.5 level. Okay, that means the trend has not completely formed, it is weak. Then you can clearly see this strong support at 0.5 level. The blue line is 0.5 level, and again it went up and came down again, and then strong support at 0.618, and finally it went up. Okay, from this is around 175 to 250, I guess it went up. Now it is showing little bit of retracement. Okay, so if you zoom in, you can obviously see a clear picture. Let me zoom in also to daily time frame. Yes, you can see. So price took support at 0.5, then again multiple support here. So what you could have done is drawn a trend line touching these 2 points, and then your entry point is this one. Okay, somewhere around 190. This is how you can use this tool. Okay, now let's go to another example, that is Eicher Motors. Okay, so what I will do is I will select these 2 points. Again, this is also in weekly chart. I will show 4 charts in weekly, and the final one I will show in a shorter time frame, like 1 hour. Okay, let me close the sidebar. So I will select this one as the top, because of obvious reason it is the high in this area, and this one as the low. Okay, now the tool is selected. Let me extend little bit. Okay, so as you can clearly see, the price movement was actually strong. This was strong price action. It touched once only to 0.5 level, then you could have drawn a line like this and see how clearly it is giving an opportunity and buy opportunity. Okay, and here you can see it did not go below 0.618 level. Okay, so let's zoom in little bit again to daily time frame to see the price action. Okay, you can clearly see this price action here, and I'm pretty sure the volume must be high in these areas. Yes, you can see the volume is actually very high. Multiple times the volume has gone above the red line, which means the 30 days average. Okay, and then price finally shot up. Okay, clear? So this is how you can use Fib retracement in weekly and daily time frame to spot your investment. Now this is another buying opportunity. Okay, that is the SGX Nifty. This is the live chart and this is 1 hour time frame. So what I can do is I will select these 2 points as high and low. This one will be the high and this one I will take as low. Okay, clear? Now let me close this sidebar. Okay, so Fib retracement tool is selected and you can clearly see the price action that is forming, and now what you have to do is wait for the price action to form. Okay, it might go up a little bit from here, and as soon as it takes support in this area and then goes up, you have to make entry here. Okay, you can try options, futures, anything, it is up to you, or seeing the condition of Nifty if you want to invest in any individual stock, that is also up to you. But this is the analysis of entire SGX Nifty, which will also affect the individual stocks as well. So that is how you use the Fib retracement tool. I hope this was helpful to you. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Financial Impulse for more such informative videos. You can check out my other playlist as well. So one final word about this, please keep practicing. You can find any wave, you have to find waves up and down in first try with larger time frames like weekly. Okay, then it will be easy. You draw it in weekly and then zoom into daily time frame and see how the price is acting. This will help you to get little bit of expertise in it, and this tool is extremely important. You will always feel the need to use it, and whenever you follow the rules and use this tool, you will definitely see that your investment timing is improving. Okay, you are not spending a lot of time in sideways movement, and because it is a waste. If you are entering in weekly and you are spending at least 6 months to 1 year of time in just sideways movement, it's a waste of time. Okay, you should only make entry when the price goes above 0.618. okay, it should not, it should show strong support at 0.5 level, and finally it should touch at 0.618, and then only you can make an entry. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope this was helpful. I will meet you in the next one. Please subscribe to Financial Impulse. Thank you.